The nice thing with PAG is that, having that network that we've grown over many years has given the ability for us to give a customer a greater ability of what they can do for repairs.
I tell my customers, okay, I don't have this part in stock. However, we have capabilities to repair a part. It's a one-stop shop. You offer a piece part, and then if it's not available, hey, we have capabilities to offer it.
So we supply the gear with all the attached hardware. We don't sell any additional kits. Our gear's ready to bolt on the airplane. And that way the customer doesn't have to scramble to order upon installation, and that saves time and effort on the mechanic because we want it to be as easy on them as possible.
They just know that they're getting a very good job of sale and repair and the follow-on that comes with that.
It's good customer service. If we cannot give you this requirements of yours, here, we can offer you this. They come up with you, okay, we don't want to deal with the OEM. We stock this part. We have it in stock. We can ship it today. It's all win-win.
Say you have a customer that's around the other side of the world and they have a switch that fails upon installation or they mess it up. Ours are already pre-rigged and ready to go, and you don't have to wait shipping again. Minimizes downtime, but also helps the mechanic get it installed safely and efficiently.
PAG is a one-stop shop. You can get everything you need, piece part, capabilities, repairs.
PAG gives operators invisible arms of ideas that they never knew they had. Being able to branch out to our network that provides a solution for all their customers without them even knowing where it's going. If the customer calls PAG, they know they get taken care of.